Hey there! Are you ready for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how our awesome 3D KN95 Pro masks are made? Welcome to our super state-of-the-art factory. Step right in and you'll see how seriously we take sanitation around here. Hygiene is essential, so we make sure everything and everyone entering is spotless to keep bacteria, viruses, and other microbes at bay. Now let's talk materials. We're all about high quality here, using only the best fabric, metal, and foam to ensure our products are super effective, comfortable, and provide the best overall experience. Our production line is mostly hands-free, with minimal human touch. But don't worry, we've got someone giving everything a final check, making sure every last detail is perfect. And speaking of final checks, our quality control labs are where the magic happens. Every little detail gets put to the test, from filtration to flexibility, ensuring we always go above and beyond the standard. We're pretty proud of our quality, and it seems our customers are too. Thank you for hanging out with us today and taking a peek behind the curtain. Remember, when you choose WellBefore, you're choosing top-notch quality for you and your family. No compromises. See you soon. Your well-being is our top priority.